everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, Crafty DIY Guy. I'm back and I have got another unboxing video for you from We Bargain. Now, you guys may remember the last video I did with We Bargain. Well, apparently you guys were rock stars and several of you bought boxes from them. And you guys left some amazing comments as well. And because of that, We Bargain sent me another box as a thank you. So, to say thank you to them, and maybe they'll send me a Target box, I wanted to go ahead and do another unboxing video for you today. So, that's what we're going to do. Again, the last box that I had, I will link that video below for you. And you can check out and see everything that I got in that box. I was pretty happy with it. You know, I would say that there was about 12, maybe 15 items in there. And there were a couple that I've kept myself. There were a couple that I am passing on to friends. In fact, the router, the wireless router that I had went to one of my really good friends. So, you know, I was able to get rid of the stuff that I didn't have a need for or to donate it. And then with this box, we'll see what's in here. So I'm excited. I'm hoping that it's a good one. There's some really good tape on this box. And I didn't grab my, okay, I gotta get my scissors. They were like right there and I'm like, oh, guess what? I didn't say thank you. If you guys are one of my long-term subscribers, my OGs, my, you know, folks that have been with me since the very beginning, thank you so, so much. I really, really appreciate you guys being here. I can't believe I almost forgot to say thank you guys. If you're brand new to the channel, of course, welcome. I hope that you're enjoying everything. And then lastly, if YouTube recommended this video to you, thank you, YouTube. I hope you'll check out the channel and stick around to become a subscriber. And, you know, I do crafts, I do DIY projects, I do unboxings kind of like this. I do some men's big and tall clothing. So, who knows? Who knows what we're doing? I renovated my pergola outside, or my front of my house. Anyway, let's get back into this. I gotta focus. And even of my long-term subscribers will tell you, first of all, I can't talk half of the time. And second of all, they will tell you that I get off on a little tangent sometimes and end up, whoa! All right, I'm freaking out already. Y'all. Okay, this is a good one. All right, now, yes, I don't know what's in this box, so that means that I will be looking at things, I'll be trying to figure out what the heck it is, and it may take some time, so be patient with me. All right, so the first thing, and the goodies for coming out, is a set of Legos. It's Lego City. It's like a, I don't know if that's is it a Coast Guard boat? Check that out. There's Otis, by the way, saying hello. I don't know if you guys will see his tail coming through in just a minute. But, you know, it looks like the box had been opened, but the Lego pieces are in here. And the boat pieces are in here. And there's some other pieces down in there. So, that's cool. Maybe there's some other ones. Oh, yep. And there's some other ones. So, cool. I'm not a Lego guy. I could certainly have this, though, and set that up. I love boats. This looks like it's probably like a Coast Guard boat or something, but or maybe it's a yacht. Maybe I can just make it my yacht. But I do have a friend who is a YouTuber, and their sons have a Lego channel. So maybe I'll send this to her, or to come there. All right, I'm gonna push that over to the side. Looks like some other Legos. All right, some Toy Story sets. This is kind of cool. It, you know, these are returns, so keep this in mind. The boxes are going to be open. Hopefully everything is in here. I would think that it would all be in here. But this is a Toy Story 4, and it looks like a Lego train set. So again, I'll see if my friend wants to give those. Whoopsie, just dropped one. I'll see if my friend wants to give those to her boys. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I hope it works. And I've needed a new trimmer, and This is nice. This is a Braun. This is a very nice, and this is a styling kit. Oh, you can do beard, hair styling, and clean shave with it. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but this is getting a little raggedy. So I'm gonna plug it in and try it, and hopefully it will work. And you know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm again not very upset about this box so far. This is looks like a set of headphones. They are Xbox headphones. Again, the box has been opened, but let's just see what they look like since the box is already there. Whoa, these things are heavy too. Check those out. I bet you I can even plug these. Well, I need the adapter, but I bet I could even plug these into my iPhone, and maybe they'd just be like really cool, like headphones. I don't know, but I'm kind of digging it. So I'm gonna put that here so I don't have to put it all back together. Let's see what else we've got. Looks like there's something else for Xbox in here. It is not for Xbox. It is something that is Bluetooth. So is it a mouse? I have a really hard time seeing because my glasses are in need. If there's somebody that sponsors glasses and would like to give me new glasses, please let me know. But there is I think it's a mouse. Basalic Hyperspeed. It's something Bluetooth. So I'm going to investigate that because I don't want to spend too much time. Otherwise people get yucky with their comments. And I believe, I'm just going to open it up. I'm just going to open up my channel, do what I want. And, oh yeah, it's a mouse. It's a mouse. Cool. I need a mouse. Hopefully it works. Let's see what else. That is I think that probably went in either with the headphones or with the mouse, the Mies. Oh wow, there's a lot more in here than I thought. Okay, this I'm super stoked about, and I really am freaking out. I was just at Home Depot yesterday, and I was talking to my friend that went with me, and I was saying how I want one of these for the front door, and it's a it's a lock. I can't talk. It's a lock for your front door, and it has the code, and it also has the key backup. So for whatever reason this loses its signal, you've got the key option. But this is really cool. I'm so excited. I'm actually trying to control it, and it doesn't look like it was like beaten up or anything, and it's really heavy, which kind of scares me because it means it could fall off my front door. So this is great, and it's Schlage. Schlage is a huge company, and there's more, so let's keep going. What else? All right. Okay. Are these shoes? No, it's not. Okay. I was like, it looks like shoes, but it's not. It's a shower set from, I think is it Pfizer? Is that how you say it? Pfizer? But this is nice. I'm not going to open this up yet, but you can kind of see here what it is, and the color is brushed nickel finish, which is great because that's actually what's in my bathroom right now. But it's a shower head and the spigot turner thing. But what's cool about this is that I may be adding a second bath to my house eventually. It's a long ways away. But this could save me a little bit of money because it's got the faucet and the doohickey thing already in here. So that's cool. I'll put it in the attic and save it. Why is there a Nike box in here? I don't know my shoe size. I got a freaking pair of shoes. They sent me a pair of Nikes. Wow. Are they my size? Are they my size? The size is covered up. If these are my size, that would be, no, they're definitely, oh. I got this on them, though. That's going to be a problem. But they are a size 8. I don't know if they're women's or men's. I'm assuming maybe men's. It's funny they've got the security tag on them, though, because I don't know how I'm going to get that off without, like, destroying them. I don't know if, I don't know if I could take it to a store and show them this video. I don't know. Let me see if I could peel this away to see if they are women's or men's. So they are Nike, Tasian something. I'll look it up. I'll Google it. But still, a pair of freaking Nikes. That's cool. I mean, I can't really get in them right now, but that's okay. Another Wi-Fi extender. I received a Wi-Fi extender in the last batch, but this is a different one. This one just plugs in and boosts your existing Wi-Fi, which I probably will keep, honestly, myself, because I think this is pretty cool. And they do, it boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal, and it just looks like it plugs in, and you probably have to program it or something. So not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. And it looks like this is the last box. More shoes. Irish Setter. Now let's see. Oh, man. Oh, I wish these were my size. That's the thing. Like, you don't know what you're going to get in the box, you know? So, like, if there's some clothing and things like that, you run that risk. And this is an Amazon returns box. But again, these are beautiful. These are really beautiful. Maybe I can sell them on eBay, you know? But, I mean, look at those frickin' boots. Those are incredible. They are a size 9. And I wear a size 12. So that's not going to work. But I could easily, tags are still on these. I could easily sell these on Amazon on Amazon. I could easily sell these on eBay. They've never been worn. And they're gorgeous. I wish these were a size 12. If they were an 11, I'd probably just squeeze into them. But they're gorgeous. They are beautiful boots. I'm really sad they're not my size, but they are beautiful. So that is the box. Some really cool stuff in here once again. If you want to check out WeBargain, I have the website down here. Check them out. They have Amazon returns, they have Target returns, they have Lowe's returns, and then I believe they have clothing-specific returns, but again, you can't really dictate your size. But hey, not a bad haul. Not a bad haul, at all. And again, I wish these were size 12. And if WeBargain is watching and they want to send me a clothing box, the shoes are size 12 and the shirts are XXL, but I know that that's probably not going to happen. So anyway, guys, all right, take care. Be sure to check out WeBargain.com. And I believe I even have a little discount code for you, and I will include that in the description below as well. All right, guys, take care. Bye.